How to turn NFC on and off on Android. This tutorial shows you how to enable or disable NFC directly from your settings. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, tap on Connections to open the connection settings. From there, tap on NFC and contactless payments to open the NFC settings page. At this point, tap the toggle at the top to turn NFC on. It will turn blue once it's active. In the next step, with NFC on, your device can now communicate with other NFC-enabled devices, make contactless payments, and read NFC tags. Following this, to turn it back off, simply come back to the same page and tap the toggle again to disable it. Finally, keep in mind that you can also toggle NFC much faster by swiping down from the top of your screen to open the quick panel and tapping the NFC icon directly without needing to go into settings at all. And that's it. If this guide helped you turn NFC on and off on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.